Hi everyone, it's Adriana here, back again for Couture Creations, and today I'm featuring the Cut and Create dies from My Secret Love collection. There are 6 unique sets of dies. These are the ones that you can use in your Go Press Foil machine, but also I'm going to show you some other ways you can use the Cut and Create dies. So let's first of all just feature all the dies. This one here is called the Lovely Tags. You get 2 in the packet and they're a really nice size for actually adding sentiments in the middle. I've got some cards I've created with these dies. The next one is the beautiful butterfly. These is all sold individually as well. The next one is the beautiful Lush rose with features 2 leaves. I've only got 1 leaf here, but it actually has 2 leaves in this pack. The next one here is the Love You sentiment. I really love this sentiment because you don't have to use the word you. You can actually cut off and just use the word love. The next one here is the Rose Bloom, and then also the Reaching Fern. I've featured some of these Cut and Create dies in some of my projects, and I also have a couple of new projects at the end of my video. So let's use the Cut and Create dies the way they're supposed to be with the Go Press Foil machine for foiling directly onto cardstock or any other type of medium. So I'm using the Go Press Foil machine. To use the Cut and Create dies, you need to use the metal conversion plate. In version 2 it comes with the machine. If not, if you've got version 1, you just need to buy it separately. Turning the machine on, it's always a red light. To turn the machine on, you just press that button next to the red light and it starts splashing red. Placing the Cut and Create die, I'm using the butterfly one, placing a piece of foil. I've just cut a piece here and placing the color side down and placing some cardstock on top. Now I'm just going to wait for the green light to stop flashing and just be a pure green light. So the red will stop flashing and the green light is ready to go. Slide the platform off your Go Press Foil machine, and I'm using the Go Cut and Emboss machine. You can use any die cutting machine. You will notice that I've placed the platform through my die cutting machine, and I usually go up 3 times. 1 backwards, 1 forwards, 1 forwards again. So that way 3 times I get a perfect result of foiling on all my projects. So when you take it off the platform, when you slide it back in, and here you have a beautiful butterfly that's been cut perfectly in one process. It's been foiled, and you will see an embossed raised edge as well. Perfect results every time. I really love this color, rose gold. It's one of my favorite. I think you see it on most of my projects. Isn't that butterfly beautiful? Just gorgeous. You can color over that as well. So let's now use the Cut and Create die with pigment ink. I find pigment ink is the best result. You can use dye inks, but I find pigment inks work so much better because it's a bit more wetter type of ink, and it works beautifully on cardstock. I'm using the platform like a normal die, so I've just got my A plate, C plate, and placing my die and a bit of glitter cardstock facing down on top of the die. I've run that through my die cutting machine and it cuts out beautifully again, like a beautiful cutout die, but this time instead of foiling it's actually inked a beautiful image of the butterfly on top of the glitter cardstock. Just using a baby wipe to wipe away the excess. The next one I'm going to use is just a normal glitter cardstock, no inking, and just placing again through my die cutting machine, the same as if you were die cutting a normal die, and it's embossed beautifully on the glitter cardstock. You can see the embossed raised edge. The next one I'm going to use is mirror board. Mirror board, placing on top of the die with the same sandwich as if you're placing a die through your die cutting machine. And again, beautifully embossed and cut in one process. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful butterfly. So I'm just showing you a couple of samples that I've created with these dies and on my cards. Some of them you may have seen in previous videos. So this one here, I've used the butterfly cut and create die with pigment ink over some coloured cardstock that I had previously done. Beautiful result every time you use that. So no foiling with that one. Okay, isn't that gorgeous? I really love this, the shimmer effect. It's probably hard to tell on the video, but it's got a beautiful shimmer effect. This is the same butterfly, but this time I'd used a grey pigment ink and over some coloured cardstock. And then this one here is the foiled one. Now you can actually foil on Yupo paper. So I did some designs on Yupo paper with alcohol inks and then foiled that. Great result with the foiling machine. The beautiful Love You sentiment, I've done that with the pigment bronze coloured pigment ink. Done that through on white cardstock, but then here on my other card here, I've actually foiled that sentiment, but only cut off the word you and just had the word love with rose gold. And I've also used the tag from this collection, the little label tags that are great to adding some beautiful sentiments in between them. And I just foiled that with beautiful rose gold and normal cardstock. So you'll also notice I've done one more card here. This card here is created with all the cut and create dies except for the tag. I've used the roses, the rose bloom, the fern, and also the love you sentiment, and plus the butterfly, all done with cut and create dies and pigment inks. No foiling at all, and I've created this wonderful card. I've used the Card Deco pigment ink bronze, the cherry, the orange, the eggplant, and the olive green, and also coral to create this beautiful card, all done with pigment inks and cut and create dies. Not one scrap of foiling with those. And you've also seen this card here in a previous video that I've used that reaching fern and the word love you. So that's my cards that I've used using the cut and create dies that you can foil, you can emboss on normal cardstock and also glitter cardstock and mirror cardstock, and also using pigment inks to create a beautiful stamped image and cut image in one process. So here are some other cards that I've created with the cut and create dies from My Secret Love collection. I really love the tag dies that I've foiled the edges and then put a beautiful word sentiment in the middle. Just perfect for these cards. If you liked my video, please tick a big like. If you like to subscribe to more of my videos, please subscribe. Please leave any comments below in the comment section below if you have any questions. I hope you have a good day and please stay safe. I'll see you again soon. Bye.